Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today is day 2 of learning Python. Today we are going to talk about variables. So let's get started. First of all, let's recap. In the last video I teach you about print. Yes, print hello world, and then I teach you about concatenation. Yes, and then that was all of it. Yes, I think. But in the last video, I also forgot to show you this. If I'm gonna print, yes, print hello world, and then put a comma and let's write 5 again. Yes. Hit run. Hello world 5. So what does this comma do? It's same as concatenation, but in concatenation, let me show you. In concatenation, over here, you haven't got a space, yes? But when I put a comma and then space, I've got space. So it's much more simpler to use a comma than plus concatenation. But I explained you in the last video why you sometimes need to use the concatenation. Okay, so now let's talk about variables. What are variables? Now if we search on Google what are variables, you are gonna see a variable is a placeholder for information. So a variable is somewhere where you put where you hold something. Yes, let's say where you hold something. Yes, let's see, you've got over here 3 boxes. Yes, box 1, box 2 and box 3. Here's a marble, another marble, ball, let's say a ball, another ball, and then another ball. Now what you wanna do is you wanna assign the first ball to the first box, the second ball to the second box, and the third ball to the third box. Now over here I can do something like this. Yes, it's like this and then this and then this. Yes, and let's say so over here, so you wanna take the ball and put it in the box. Yes, the second put over here, and the third over here. Yes, this is the same in programming in Python, but it's a bit different. Yes, let's say I got box 1. Yes, box 1, then box 2, and then box 3. Yes, let's say, yes, and then you got like ball 1, then ball 2, and then ball 3. Yes, over here. Okay, and you got ball 1, ball 2 and ball 3. It's the same as here. Yes, now in the box 1 I've already got the first ball. Yes, in the second box I've got the second ball, and in the third box I've got the third ball. Yep. Okay, just drinking some water. Don't forget to hydrate. So now I can do something like this. Print box 1. Yes. Now you might think this is an error, because in the last video I teach you that you can't let's say you can't print some text without putting it in quotation marks. But here, because box1 it's a variable, so as I told you, a variable holds something, yes? Box1 it's a variable that holds the ball1, yes? Now, variables, when you're printing them, don't need to be put in quotation marks, yes? Because I'm calling it, let's say I'm grabbing the box1 to show to somewhere, yes? So to someone, let's say that someone is the computer, yes? So you are grabbing, let's say, the box1 and you're showing to a computer, and the computer looks in the box and sees ball1, yes? So he's gonna print ball1, yes? Now let's say box2, yes? Same. You are showing you are giving the computer box2. He looks in the box and sees ball2. The box ball2, yes? And then he prints ball2. Same as box3. You take the box, show the computer looks and prints ball3. Now, let me show you something very, very important. Now, when you're naming variables, you can name it whatever you want, yes? Everything, it doesn't matter. But when you name a variable, you can't do something like this. It will give you an error. Look. Error, yes? If you want it spaced, you put an underline, yes? And it's box underline 1, box underline 2, and then it's box underline 3. Very, very simple. So you can space the variable names. Okay, so now I've got let me just change this. Perfect. Now I can assign, and you can assign to a variable some integers. Yes, I told you before what an integer is. Yes. And I actually didn't told you what an integer is, but I'm gonna tell you now. An integer is a number, yes? 1 is a number, that means it's an integer, yes? 2, it's a number, it's an integer. 5, number, it's an integer, yes? Everything goes like this. Even 5.4, it's an integer, doesn't it? Okay, so let's continue. Now, to the box1, I can assign, let's say, 5 balls. Here, 6 balls, and over here, let's say 7 balls. Yes. Now, if I'm gonna print box1 is gonna print 5. Yes. Same when I switch over here box 2, and same with box 3. Yes. Now, what I like the most when naming the variables, it's something named camel case. Yes. Let's say camel case. Now, let's say I wanted to name this variable food I like, but you can see it doesn't you don't really understand it. Yes, so the camel case is that you start the first word with lowercase and then the rest of the words you start with an uppercase letter. Yes, so food over here, I, and over here like. Very simple. Now I can do something like this, and then this. Yes, but the most I like is putting the underline or the camel race. Now you can name it whatever you want. Okay, so now I've stuck daddy. Variables can hold integer and strings. Now let me show you something. Let's say food I like, it's and pizza. Yeah. Pizza, yes. Let's say I name this variable age, and it's gonna be 12. And then this variable, let's say year born equals 2030. Okay, perfect. Now I can do something like this. Let's say I was born in, and then without putting a space, comma, year born, comma, and let's say now I've got and then comma and age and then years old, and then let's say the food I like the most is and then let's say food I like, yes. And when I hit print, I was born in 2030 as expected. Now I've got 12 years old right over here and here, and then the food I like is pizza. Right over here, right, everything is right. Now you can do like this. You can do a lot of things. Now the video is over. In the last video I also forgot to mention, at the end of every video I'm gonna give you a challenge to make. Yes, and the challenge for today is to do what I did over here. Yes, as you are gonna make a variable year born, yes, age, and the food you like, and then do this. It's very simple. If you've completed it, write in the comments. If you've got some problem, also write in the comments. I can respond to you all the time. Just write over there, and in a couple of hours there's gonna be the response. Now, yes. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and